Tired of weeds taking over your garden, no matter how often you pull them? The good news is, you don't need chemicals to fix this. In fact, there are simple, natural ways to prevent weeds before they even start. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to stop weeds naturally, how to prevent them from coming back, and how to make gardening easier without extra work. One of the easiest ways to stop weeds is mulch. Mulch blocks sunlight, which prevents weed seeds from growing. It also helps your soil stay moist and improves your garden over time. A simple layer can make a big difference. Weeds love empty space. If your soil is bare, weeds will move in quickly. Try to keep your soil covered with plants or mulch. This protects your soil and helps prevent weeds naturally. It's much easier to deal with weeds early. Small weeds are easier to pull and haven't had time to spread seeds. A few minutes here and there can save you a lot of work later. If you're dealing with weeds right now, don't worry, every gardener goes through this. The good news is, these simple steps really do work. Let's keep going. Watering can actually affect weeds more than you think. When you water everything, you're feeding weeds too. Try to water your plants directly instead of the whole area. This helps your plants without encouraging weeds. When your plants are spaced properly, they'll grow and fill in over time. This helps shade the soil, which makes it harder for weeds to grow. So instead of overcrowding, focus on giving your plants the right space and let them do the work for you. If you want to make things even easier, a few simple tools can really help. A long-handled weeder, so you don't have to bend as much, a good pair of gloves, and even something like a kneeling bench can make gardening much more comfortable. But remember, you don't need anything complicated to get started. So let's recap: use mulch, keep your soil covered, pull weeds early, water carefully, and let your plants help protect your garden. With these simple steps, you can keep weeds under control naturally. Remember to start small and keep it simple. Thanks for watching. If this helped, we'd love to have you subscribe so we can keep gardening together.